Hi, in this video I will show you how to use the ScriptRunner utility. So imagine you have a task, you need to populate the scene with 100 prefabs, and to do it manually it's very slow. So let's make it with the ScriptRunner help. So after installing, under the Tools toolbar there is the ScriptRunner button, which when we click we will see the ScriptRunner window. We can use the Simple tab, and we need to use our own code, so we can delete this one. We can also dog this window here, and it will be easier to see it here. So for example, when we want to populate the scene with the prefabs, we need to apparently make one. So let's make a sphere. Let's reset the position, which we don't need in this case, but let's make a prefab of it. So I will delete the old one. I can leave it like that. Now, for example, when we want to populate with the scene with the prefab, with the ScriptRunner, we don't have the options to use the public field. But in a Unity, there is a different way how to address this sphere. We need to use asset database, load asset path. So let's do it right now. So we need to define game object. Game object my prefab equals asset database dot load asset at path, and here we need to define the path to the asset. Is it the path to the asset? It's very simple. It's basically the name of the assets subdirectory plus the name of the asset. So it will be the assets and the sphere 1 dot prefab, and we need to define the type of game object, and we need to cast it as a game object here. To test it, we can use Debug.Log. And we can use my prefab the name, and let's try it. Yes, here it comes. So this one works. And then the easiest way how to populate 100 spheres is to use the for loop. So let's make one for int e equals 0, e less than 10, e plus plus. Let's make the second one. Let's copy it from here. It will be the J loop. And let's try it if it works. So we will use the prefab utility dot instantiate prefab, my prefab. Let's try it. Is it working? But all spheres are in one spot. So let's fix it. Let's define game object, my object equals prefab utility s game object, and let's move it a little bit. My object dot transform dot position equals new vector 3 ij0. Let's check the spelling errors and let's try to run it. Yeah, it's working. And now let's try to add custom colors to that. So let's define a color. My color equals new color random.range new 0f and 1 float between 0 and 1, and let's copy it and we can debug this if it's working. We can also comment out the code we don't want to use now, because we want to see only the debug information. So let's try it. And we see all the different colors. This is working, so we can uncomment what we want, and we can continue. We need to define the material. So material, my material equals new material. We want it from the cloned object dot add component render dot shared material, and my material dot color equals my color, and we need to assign it back. We can copy it from here. Equals my material. So if we didn't do the spelling errors, we should see the results. Let's see. Let's press run, and here it comes. For example, if I misspell something, or if I forgot the proper ending, we should get the error. Yeah, parsing. So this console will show always if there is some error. And if you will have some code where you really don't know what is going on, just make a new C# script and place the code there. You will find it very fast if there is some simple error, and then paste it back here. So it should help. So thank you very much, and I hope you will like this tool.